Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
The difference between cheap and expensive dishwashers hinges on several key factors. Expensive models often boast advanced features like more energy-efficient operations, quieter performance, and superior drying capabilities. They may also offer greater capacity, customizable racks, and specialized wash cycles for delicate items. Cheap dishwashers, while budget-friendly, might use more water and energy, operate louder, and have fewer wash cycle options. Ultimately, investing in an expensive model can mean lower long-term costs thanks to energy savings and better durability.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.